Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing my, well, this is honestly not my first wash day after I did my big chop, but this is the first one I will be documenting. I did my big chop in no, I did it in, I think, May or early June. I just took down some faux locks and I just came back from my trip as well, and I did a lot of walking and my hair stinks because it was hot and I was sweaty. So I need to do a wash day, and I'm also gonna leave my hair like natural for like a whole week until I get back into doing another style. I'm gonna do boho braids, but I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using for my wash day, and I'm also gonna be showing, well, I'm also gonna be doing my go-to style that I've been liking. So I decided to try the Care Curl Essence moisturizing shampoo. This one, I like it. It's fine, it's okay, but it's nothing to phone home about. And I'm also gonna be using the conditioner in the line, which is the moisturizing conditioner. This one is very runny, so I end up having to use a lot. I'm also gonna be using the Miracle Repair deep hydrating hair mask. I just want some strength in my hair, and I want to start building that strength now. And I don't know, I just feel like, because it says it promotes growth, so that's basically what I'm trying to do right now, promote fast growth. Even though my hair has been, it's pretty shrunken now, but like when I wash it and I start putting like the gel and stuff on it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna pick up some length. But this is the hair now. It's still very much soft from when I did it. It still has the moisture. It's not dry or anything. But yeah, this is it. Very much stinks. Okay, so I washed my hair and I did the deep conditioner and it was okay. But now for the hard part. Honestly, I'm so excited for this new, well, not new, I've been on this journey before, but I'm back on it again. And if you haven't seen the video where I actually did the big chop, I'm gonna leave it in the cards up above, and also it's gonna be on the end screen at the end of the video. And also, if you made it this far in the video, drop some grapes down below in the comments, and I'll know. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using my tried and true extreme wetline gel. Every time I've used this on my texturized hair and my natural hair before I texturize it, it has always been chef's kiss. And I'm also going to be using the Male Organics pomegranate leave-in conditioner. I had some in the packet and I just transferred it to this little bottle because I was using it while I was traveling. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna be using. I'm also gonna be saturating my hair with water every step, because for it to actually absorb all this moisture from the gel and the leave-in conditioner, my hair needs to be very much saturated. And for my curls to actually pop at this length, it needs to be very, very, very saturated. So this is just basic water from the tap. So basically what I'm doing is like using my hands, well, using my fingers as like combs, and I'm aggressively combing the gel and basically all the products through it so that it gets fully absorbed in my hair. I'm just gonna put 4 here and crisscross them, and then 4 here and crisscross them, and then leave the middle and call it a day.